Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel. Fashion is constantly evolving, and what once felt stylish, trendy, and everywhere can slowly start feeling outdated without us even realizing it. Think about those pieces you bought because everyone on Instagram was wearing them. The boots, the bags, the jackets that felt like a must-have at the time. In 2026, fashion is entering a new era focused on refinement, balance, and timeless appeal, rather than loud trends and overdone statements. So today, we're breaking down fashion items that are officially going out of trend in 2026, explaining why they're fading and what fashion-forward pieces are taking their place. Make sure you stay till the end, because the last item is one that many people still think is stylish, but fashion has already moved on. One, tall Ugg-style boots. Tall Ugg-style boots were extremely popular during the comfort-driven fashion phase, especially from 2020 to 2023. They became a winter staple because of their warmth and relaxed, cozy vibe. However, by 2026, these boots feel visually heavy and overly casual. Fashion today values cleaner lines and more intentional styling, even in cold weather outfits. The bulky shape of tall UGGs often shortens the leg line and clashes with the refined silhouettes that dominate current fashion. 2. Quilted chain bags. Quilted chain bags were once seen as a symbol of luxury and influencer fashion. For years, they appeared everywhere, from street style to social media. Because of this heavy exposure, the style has lost its exclusivity. In 2026, fashion is shifting toward quiet luxury, where subtle craftsmanship matters more than obvious statement pieces. Chunky chains and heavy quilting now feel repetitive rather than refined. What's taking their place? Minimal shoulder bags, soft leather hobo bags, and clean logo-free handbags that focus on quality, texture, and timeless design. Three, overly loud colors. Extremely bright colors like neon green, hot pink, and high-contrast color blocking gained popularity because they performed well on social media. However, in 2026, these shades feel overwhelming and difficult to integrate into everyday wardrobes. Fashion is now centered on longevity and versatility, and loud colors tend to feel trend-bound rather than timeless. What's taking their place? Muted tones, earthy neutrals, soft pastels, and deep, rich shades such as olive, burgundy, navy, and chocolate brown. Colors that feel calm, elegant, and expensive. 4. Super high-waist jeans. Super high-waist jeans were praised for accentuating the waist and creating a dramatic silhouette. Over time, however, they've begun to feel forced and restrictive. In 2026, exaggerated proportions are being replaced by more natural and balanced fits. Ultra-high rises can distort body proportions and no longer align with modern styling preferences. What's taking their place? Mid-rise straight-leg jeans, relaxed-rise denim, and softly tailored jeans that prioritize comfort while maintaining a contemporary look. 5. Long teddy coats. Long teddy coats became popular for their warmth and cozy appearance, especially during colder seasons. After years of popularity, they now feel oversized and shapeless. In 2026, outerwear trends focus on structure and intentional design rather than excessive volume. People want warmth without sacrificing sophistication. What's taking their place? Tailored wool coats, structured faux fur jackets, belted coats, and cropped winter styles that offer both warmth and a refined silhouette. 6. Faux leather leggings. Faux leather leggings were once a go-to piece for creating edgy outfits. However, by 2026, they feel overused and overly tight. Fashion is moving away from glossy, skin-tight pieces toward relaxed silhouettes that allow movement and comfort. The shiny finish of faux leather leggings now feels dated. What's taking their place? Wide leg trousers, tailored pants, matte leather or suede finish bottoms, and relaxed silhouettes that look elevated and modern. Seven. Shackets, plaid shirt jackets. Shackets became a transitional wardrobe essential because they were easy to layer and casual in nature. However, their repeated styling season after season has made them feel uninspired. In 2026, fashion values thoughtful layering rather than throw-on pieces that lack structure. What's taking their place? Utility jackets, barn jackets, cropped structured jackets, and refined layering pieces that add dimension and intentional style to an outfit. Eight. Cowboy boots, everyday styling. Cowboy boots experienced a strong resurgence and were styled across festivals, street fashion, and everyday looks. By 2026, their constant visibility has reduced their impact. While Western influence still exists, literal cowboy boots feel overdone for daily wear. What's taking their place? Sleek pointed toe boots, minimalist ankle boots, and subtle Western-inspired details that hint at the trend without fully committing to it. Fashion in 2026 is all about intention, balance, and timeless style rather than chasing loud trends. Letting go of outdated pieces doesn't mean losing style. It means evolving with it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which trend you're ready to leave behind. I'll see you in the next fashion update.